What's up everyone, my name is Kamal Akeel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the outside door handle on the passenger side. Yeah, mine stopped working. I guess it's a pretty common problem for the Z's. I mean, the inside door handle works and you can hear it lock and unlock, so I'm kind of just saying I think that's what it is, and from talking to people, that's what people say it is. So this is the new one here, and then this is the part number for it. Like I said, mine's a 2004, so you might get the same part number, but I would still like match it with your VIN because they might have changed it up a little bit at a different year or something like that. So when we come out to the car, just make sure it's unlocked. Yeah, so basically the problem is it doesn't do anything. Another thing I noticed is this side, it's pretty solid, and my passenger side, I know this one's been replaced before, but when I open it, it's the whole door handle moves a little bit. So I might go in here and try to just tighten it down a little bit, so it might be a little bit loose. And then that's another thing, if I'm doing the passenger side, but if you are doing the driver's side, the only additional thing is there's 2 bolts on the back side of this when you take it off to get the keyhole part off of it. So it's just a little extra step you got to take if you're going to be doing the driver's side. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to replace it. So first thing, you gotta get the door open. There we go. So the first thing we're gonna do is just get these 2 plastic pieces here off, which I just have a plastic pry tool for that. These are just here to prevent water from getting in your door, so they're pretty important. You don't want to lose those. So the next thing we want to do is just take out these screws. They're they have a Phillips in the middle, but they also are a 10mm. I have a magnetic socket, which is nice. If you don't, I would just have a magnet ready. You can hear I actually dropped that one already, so just be careful when you're taking these out. All right. So once you zip those out, this should come out. See, this is all broken. But then also, like I said about having the magnet, because I can actually see, I don't know if y'all can see that, but the screws right there, I got really lucky because if it fell all the way down in the door, you might be able to fish it out through there, but the only other way is to take the whole door panel off. So like y'all saw, just be careful when you're getting this one because it might fall down there. So as you guys can see, so I noticed it has this rubber gasket on it. The new one comes with one, which is nice. And then you can just see where the this one's just all broken up. So the only thing you really got to change over is just the rod that actually opens the door. So it looks like you just pull this plastic piece to the left, and then it comes right out. And I guess going back in, just gotta put it in. Actually, I'm gonna clean this off a little bit. So to get this back together, just stick that straight in there. and then just clip it into that plastic piece right there. Actually, just use a little bit of brake clean just to clean all the crud off of here. So when you're going back together, I don't know if y'all can see that blue piece in there. That's where your the end of this rod is going to go in. So basically you just have to get that piece into the blue rod there, and then just get the rest of it in there after that. So you can I don't know if you can see that on camera, but just you want to get this part behind the door, and then just slide that piece into the little blue clip in there, and then just get this situated and mounted in here, and then we can put our 10mm screws back in. So like before, just be careful. Then yeah, just get them in my hand because I had to move this one around a little bit to get it threaded in. All right, and the last thing is just to get these little rubber grommets back in here. Just gotta wipe this down real quick. You know, it should just snap in by hand like that. Now we'll see if it works, which it does now, so that's pretty cool. Then we'll just check to make sure it still opens from the inside, which it does. It locks and unlocks. Now I'll just check that from the outside. Just lock it, make sure it doesn't open, unlock it, make sure it opens. So yep. And then the last thing I was gonna do is just I don't know if y'all can see this, but like this one is definitely loose, so I was just gonna see if I could tighten down these screws and fix that. Yeah, this screw is definitely loose. I don't know if y'all noticed, but definitely wasn't threaded in all the way. And same with the bottom one. I know this has been replaced before, so I guess it just wasn't tightened down all the way. So I'll just clean this off. And now you can see it's way more secure. So yeah, that's how you replace the outside passenger door handle. Hope this was helpful. Just be careful not to drop a screw like I did. I got pretty lucky that it didn't fall all the way down to the door panel. And then if you're doing the driver's side, it's the same thing to take it off. I think there's just two more, I think they're just 10mm screws that hold the lock cylinder part onto it. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Finito.